Okay, so now you have the spool of paper,
Hmm.
you have the belt running that, and then how do you fill it uniformly? And like I would imagine there's some cameras or sensors involved to
Oh yeah.
yeah, so
Yeah.
tell us about that.
Yeah. So we use a lot of vibratory feeders. So I've got two vibe feeders that fill a scale. So I've got a little load cell in there. Um, and that those two things have been very critical in just the precision, accuracy, which then lends to my customers' compliance to the state regulations. It also affords them a lot better production margins. So, like, if you put a pound in, you get 900 joints out that are half gram. Whereas if you're trying to hand fill and you don't know how much is going into each joint, you basically have to overfill them. And so you put a pound in, whereas with my machine, you get 900 out. With that, you'd get like 400 or 500 out. So it's like you actually like increase how many joints you're able to make with the same input. So yeah, the weighing has been that's been critical as well.